Cheers! Hey guys, it's Ksenia. So today I'm going to show you how I make these amazing summer popsicles, like strawberry fruity flavors. So let me show you guys the ingredients. First you need tea. My favorite is to use one iced tea blend bag because it's for iced tea. And then a flavored one like strawberry. I like this one. It's this brand. Then what you're going to need is a lemon, tangerine, and some kind of jam. I like this Lingonberry jam. It's from IKEA. It's the best. And then frozen strawberries. And you need a blender. First thing you do, you gotta boil some water for the tea. And then while you're waiting for that, what we're going to do is we need to juice our lemon. So juice this and get the little bits and pieces out of it. We're gonna take out the seeds later so that when you eat the popsicles, you taste a little bit. Love sour stuff, so this is amazing. By the way, this is called K-SEN, Cooking with K-SEN. Cooking with a K. Let me know if you want me to make this segment. Alright guys, so I took out all the seeds out of this. So basically for the tea, you need one of each. Try to get a black tea, like any flavor that you like. I like strawberry because it's very prominent. So you put 2 tea bags in here because we're making 6 popsicles or more. Sometimes it's enough for more. So put it in here. Then we're gonna peel our tangerine. Okay. Woo, it's boiling! Okay. So you just fill up the entire glass almost to the top. You don't want too much water because you don't want it to be too icy. Like you want the popsicle not to be dripping, you know what I mean? Just trust me. I know what's in here. So you want to let the tea brew for a few minutes because it's going to be for a bunch of popsicles. So make it pretty strong. So what you're going to do is take out the tea bags. You're going to pour the tea in the blender. Ooh, that's hot. You're going to throw in your tangerine. Just throw it in. Your lemon juice. Oh, yes. Then you're going to take your strawberries. By the way, they don't have to be frozen. I just got frozen strawberries. And take a lot, because this is what gives you that popsicle flavor, like that really, what you get in the store. Alright, that should be good. And then, this makes it really sweet. I mean, if you're trying to be healthy, you could skip this, but I'm not trying to be healthy right now. So just take about, I would say half a jar. Come and show the people what I am doing. Okay, this is gonna be definitely for more, it's gonna be enough for more than 6, but you know, I can eat 3 popsicles in one sitting, so it's fine. And we are going to blend this up. Ready guys? This is how the magic happens. So, wow, that smells amazing. Look at this color, amazing. Alright, so now, this is it. You just pour it into your little popsicle mold. And you take the little thingamabobs. We have a problem. Ooh. This is why I gotta pour it up to the line so you don't have a problem. But we all know when I blend things in the kitchen, something always happens. So, get into this movie video. You should go watch. Okay guys, I cleaned it up as best I could. So, you just put it in the freezer now for about 8 to 10 hours or overnight. And, guys, this is like the professional cooking shows. This is the result. I already ate the other ones, but this is literally the same thing. So, you just put this under hot water for 30 seconds. Oh! Cheers! Let me try. So good, guys. This has been fun cooking with K-SEN. Let me know if you want more flavors. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.